Have you ever hired a candidate who seems perfect on paper but disaster at actual work? Well, imagine if you have a secret weapon which you can use to identify the top talent every time you hire a candidate. Hello everyone, welcome to School of Management. Myself Vijay Kumar, and today we are going to discuss about 10 interview questions which every employer should ask to hire a top talent. So, let's get started. First thing first, why asking right questions matters. Well, do you know that 89% of hiring failures are due to lack of soft skill? This means asking the right question can make or break your hiring process. And here is a common mistake. Most employers focus on too much technical skill and forget to assess cultural fit. Problem-solving ability and adaptability is key. So, here are the top 10 questions for hiring top talent for your company. Question number 1. Can you describe a time when you face a challenge at your work and how you handle it? Well, this is gold because it reveals problem-solving skills and resilience. I remember a friend of mine asked this and got an immediate positive reaction. Even the candidate says it's a great question. Question number 2. How do you prioritize your task when you have multiple deadlines to meet? Well, this question aims to assess the time management and organization skill. I knew a candidate who nailed this question by describing their detailed task management system. It really impressed the hiring manager. Time management is crucial, but what about fitting into your team's culture? Question number 3. What motivates you to perform at your best? Did you know that employees motivated by company values are more productive and engaged? Well, this uncovers what drives the candidate and their alignment with your company's value. Remember, motivation is one of the key aspects, but let's deep dive into understanding the candidate's fit with your company. Question number 4. Can you give me some example where you have worked effectively within a team? Teamwork and collaboration are essential in most roles. Once I heard about a candidate who used this question to showcase their leadership in a team project and leading a successful hire. Teamwork makes the team work, but evaluating their long-term vision is also equally important. Question number 5. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? This gauges the candidate's long-term vision and ambition. A candidate's clear long-term vision aligns perfectly with your company's growth plan and secure them for the job. Question number 6. How do you handle receiving constructive feedback? This reveals the candidate's openness to growth and self-improvement. Studies shows that employees who are open to feedback perform better. Handling feedback is crucial, but assessing their creativity is also vital. Question number 7. Can you share some creative solution which you implemented in your previous job? Creativity and innovation can set the top talent apart. I heard about a candidate who impressed with their innovative solution and got hired on the spot. Creativity is fantastic, but what about the ability to learn and adapt? Question number 8. What new skill you have learned recently and how did you learn them? Continuous learning and adaptability are the key traits of top talent. Employees who continuously learn are more valuable to the company. And that's a fact. Learning is a lifelong process, but cultural fit is equally important. Question number 9. How do you ensure you align with company's culture and values? This assesses the cultural fit and alignment with company value. I once heard a story where candidates' strong cultural alignment lead to the long-term success within the company. It's a win-win. Question number 10. What makes you to stand out from other candidates? This allows candidates to highlight their unique strengths and qualities. I remember a candidate who confidently showcased their unique skill and how it led them to hire. Be sure to ask this one. So, there you have it. Top 10 questions to hire top talent for your company. If you find this video helpful, then hit the like and subscribe button and share it with your friend. Good luck for your next hiring process. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and let's achieve your success together. Bye for now.